Alright, so here's a look at the, I assume it's pronounced Nicpay, maybe. Coffee press, a cup, 34 ounce. So some advice for how to clean nut. They have two models, the copper top and the more of a silver nickel top. So some advice on how to use properly. There we go. So there is the press. Apparently comes with cleaning apparatus, manual, cleaning brewing instructions, and replacement screen for in the press there, and looks like a measuring spoon with quite a long handle there. So I'll take a quick glance at the instructions and heat up some water and wash it a little bit and make some coffee. Alright, so while my water gets hot, I'll just show, so I took the glass carafe, whatever you want to call it, out of the thing. Slides in easily, so snug, although you shouldn't do this obviously when it's hot, but it's snug, but easy enough to come out, so that is good. Do that, and then the filter, so just simply hold the bottom here and a little twist there to take it apart. I've used French press before, and this is my replacement, so I've used this enough. I just sort of throw this in the dishwasher. Not sure if you really should do that, but that's how I do it. Loosen it a little bit, rinse it off, and chuck it in the dishwasher. But just a little bit to tighten it on there. And what I noticed already is it's nice that there's a arrow here to tell you where the pour side is of this. So that's kind of nice. So now I'll just take my coarsely ground coffee and drop it inside there, and obviously make a mess. But now I just need the hot water to add to my coarse ground coffee, and then get to wait while it brews. Alright, so now I have some almost boiling water. I tend to do it by microwave instead of stove, your choice. I guess hot water is hot water based on your preference. So obviously, again, a coarse grind of coffee. The recommendation for them here is to pour 200 milliliters. So I'm going to follow their thing, wait for 30 seconds, and then pour the rest. So pause and wait a few seconds here. Alright, so that's been 30 seconds. Now their recommendation is to stir. Can't say I've ever actually done that using my other previous French press, but I'll give them a shot here, and then to fill the rest of the way. Now, I think they say to stop at 600 to 800 milliliters. I tend to pour as much as I possibly can in there, but so I'm gonna break the rolls and pour a little bit more. So then we wait. So recommendation is 4 minutes about what I usually do with my French press unless I'm in a hurry in the morning. So we'll pause and resume. All right, so it has been about 5 minutes. The instructions are to stir this. I usually don't do that when I make coffee in a French press. Never done that before. But I don't know, maybe I will try, especially now that I have a nice long spoon and their instructions are to sort of skim the foam off. Again, that's not something I've ever done before. Seems kind of like a waste of time. Maybe it does actually give you better coffee, so maybe I'll have to test that out. I usually just throw the French press, the lid on there and press it down. But it seems like if it comes from the coffee bean, I kind of want to drink it, but give that a try. We'll see. So obviously want the angle here for the front to be in there, so we just snuggle that down arrow to the front, and that's a nice snug but easy to press down. So then it's just a matter of pouring off some coffee. So obviously your darkness, thickness, and all that may depend on what kind of beans and stuff you use, but obviously a pretty dark, thick coffee. Much better than using a drip machine, in my opinion, for nice strong coffee. So I think everything here works beautifully. Love the arrow in the front. My old maker didn't have a arrow, and constantly trying in the bleary-eyed dark trying to figure out where the front of the thing was here. So thing seems good here. So again, this is Nicpay, if I'm pronouncing it right. Coffee press here, 8 cup. Everything seems to work as promised. I'm very happy. So hope this was helpful. Have a great day. Happy coffee drinking.